Hi guys, and welcome back to our Instagram. I'm so excited to go over a DIY project that Ed and I did for our mothers for Mother's Day. We worked with chocolate covered strawberries in 3 different lines from the Sugar Art collection. I can't wait to show you what we came up with. Let's start. First, let's go with Hot Pink Elite Dust, not Master Elite. The Elite Dust collection is a fat-soluble collection. You can use them to dust, paint, airbrush, and yes, even tint chocolate. Hot Pink Elite happens to be one of our best chocolate tinting colors that we make. It is super vibrant and blends beautifully. Today I'm working with the almond bark, and you'll see that the beautiful vibrancy comes through. Voila! So now I'm going to start dipping my chocolate strawberries, and I'm going to sprinkle non-perils on top of the chocolate. I love how the hot pink pops through in the background against these tiny little white sprinkles. It's just the cutest little design. I've seen it on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and I can't get enough of this. Let's do diamond dust now. 100% edible glitter. Now you'll want to wait for your chocolate to be almost set up before dusting the diamond dust on top. You don't have to get a different product to make the diamond dust adhere. You can actually just keep an eye on your chocolate and sprinkle it on there when there's still enough moisture, but the chocolate has not fully dried. Let's do it one more time. You'll notice that I'm actually sprinkling on top of a parchment paper so I can save all of the residual dust that falls beneath. So magical. Let's save this diamond dust back into our jar. And we'll move on to dusting the Sterling Pearl Pink Satin. Now you'll want to make sure that your chocolate is fully dry before dry dusting any luster dust on top of your chocolate. You want to work with a small fluffy brush, and the chocolate has to be completely dry in order for this to work. You only need a layer, maybe 2, and that beautiful shimmer will come through. I love the pink satin because it's much lighter than rose gold or any other pink that we make, and I really wanted that hot pink undertone to pop through, and it certainly did. Shimmery and shiny. And that's the 3 techniques that I did, y'all. So cute, right? Now let's build our DIY bouquet. I used a small piece of floral foam, wrapped the piece around tissue paper. My tissue paper is a bit too long, so I'm gonna cut it down. So do better than me and start with smaller pieces of tissue paper when trying this at home. And you'll see that I'm cutting out some jagged pieces just to make it look like its original form tissue paper. And now let's add the strawberries to our floral foam underneath. That foam makes a huge difference and will keep your skewers in place with your chocolate covered strawberries on top. No rhyme or reason, just make sure you're doing different heights so all of your designs can come through when you're looking at the bouquet from a level standpoint. There is no perfect way to do this. I'm sure that there are more perfect bouquets than mine, but I was really proud of this. It was my first time doing it, and I had a lot of fun. And here we are. Look at all of the beautiful strawberries together, diamond dust, sterling pearl, and a matte chocolate with tiny little sprinkles. It is just the cutest thing ever, and I am so glad that I did this. Thank y'all so much for watching. This was a ton of fun. I love demoing colors for you, and I thank you so much for being Team Sugar Art.